The drone itself is called an AgBot, and it's a commercial grade agricultural drone that has multispectral imaging, which is 5 different bands of wavelength that it captures. It's used to tell plant health and the status of the plant itself. And then it's got a thermal camera which also tells whether the plant's getting too much water, too little water. It tells water use. So together we can use these in what we call precision agriculture. And precision agriculture, we aim to reduce farmers' use of pesticides, chemicals, and water overall. So it'll stay right there. I'm going to put it in automatic. It's going to take off on its mission. So the field of research is wide open with this type of technology. And we can always add new cameras to it, whether we go to an ultraviolet type. You know, we know that honeybees see flowers in ultraviolet, and that's how they choose which plants to go to. So there may be some data there. But it's just it's a young field that has lots of opportunities in it. Just overall with drones in general, there's just so many different opportunities that they're going to be part of your lives in 10 years easily. And all I did to program it, I mean, I love to make it sound like it's really, really complicated and only I could do it. But all I did was pull it up and you draw a polygon on it. So I just put the corners of the field and it did everything else. So it's totally autonomous. It figures out its flight plan, what it needs to do, where it needs to be, all that by itself, based on the cameras that I have on it.
Yeah.
So if everybody wants to look, this is the flight plan. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me. There you go.
It's hard to see. It's going to go back and forth 4 times, and it flies at 5 miles an hour, so it's not a fast drone at all. It can tell a lot of different things based on how the chlorophyll is fluorescing, how green the plant is from the air. When I go back to the Institute, I'll load it onto a website and it processes it, because every image on there has a GPS data and even coordinates of which way the drone was facing, and everything on it is embedded in every single image. And they stitch those together and they do different things to them, and they can say, well, you need this here, this there, that type of thing.